Brave, very skilled. Ladies and gentlemen, it's our great pleasure to present the Deerfield 250 Excavator Rodeo Championship to Mr. Glenn Young. Round of wine.
Well, Glenn. That's probably illegal.
Two very full-looking glasses. Now moving on to class 3.
Got some in there.
Good job, Glenn. Well done.
Yeah, don't try.
Just waiting to weigh it up, right, Glenn? It's the first glass for you and the third one for your wife?
You can spell it.
Yeah, no. He's your biggest fan. It's all good. Good job. That's right.
While we're doing the weigh-in, can we ask Mike Driscoll to come on down? We're doing our presentations in just a few moments. Mike can come down and join us. All right, the final total for a winning amount of 16.4 ounces. What a tremendous job by all our competitors. Dick, you want to talk to Glenn and see how he's feeling about the whole thing?
Hey guys.
Yeah, he's hiding on it.
We'll see ya.
So, Glenn, I know you asked if you would be interviewed when it's all done, but you didn't think you were going to be in first place. How's it feel to be number one in the interview?
Pretty good. Seeing how there's a lot of good
Julie's right there.
They're all great. And we're all neighbors, so it's
You did great. You're all cool. Yeah, now.
Mike's gonna put a name on that. Mike's right there.
I'm going to ask all the operators to line up in front of the machine after you get your award so that we get a picture to have. Probably Facebook.
Why don't we bring all our competitors forward over here in front of the crowd so we can give them one more big hand. All the competitors from today's competition, please come over and join us. And then we're going to be doing our trophy presentation. What a great event. This turned out to be. Excellent job, everybody.